Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Southern Builders Perma-Roof podcast. I'm your host, Paul, and I'm thrilled to have you join us today. On this podcast, we delve into the world of perma-roofs, giving you the inside scoop on everything you need to know about these incredible roofing solutions. Today, we'll be breaking down the installation process of a perma-roof step by step, just like our crew at Southern Builders does it. From the initial cleanup and measurements to the final touches and inspection, we've got it all covered. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. All right, folks, let's dive right into the Perma-Roof installation process. When our Southern Builders crew arrives at your home, the first step is ensuring the installation site is prepared. This begins with a thorough cleanup of your existing factory roof, removing any debris that might interfere with the installation process. It's essential that we start with a clean slate to ensure everything goes smoothly. Now, once the site is spotless, it's time for one of the most critical steps in the installation process, double-checking the measurements. Even though we've received the size from you and used satellite imagery and to verify the size, we always recheck to ensure it's correct. This step is incredibly vital because, in roofing, even a small miscalculation can lead to significant issues down the line. Confirming the exact fit helps us avoid any unforeseen problems and ensures that the installation proceeds without a hitch. By double-checking measurements, we're making certain that every piece fits perfectly, from the insulation layers to the metal framework and steel panels. It's this level of attention to detail that helps us maintain the high standards and reliability that Southern Builders is known for. In short, these extra checks guarantee that your perma-roof will not only fit impeccably, but also perform optimally. Precision here directly translates to long-term durability and efficiency, aligning perfectly with our commitment to delivering top-notch quality in every job we undertake. Now that we've ensured all measurements are spot on, let's move on to the next crucial phase, material preparation. This step is essential as it sets the stage for the entire installation process and helps everything proceed smoothly and efficiently. The goal here is to organize and prepare all the necessary materials so that once we start the installation, there are no unnecessary delays. So, what exactly are these essential materials? First up, we have the insulation layers. Insulation is key to maintaining your home's energy efficiency, and knowing we have the right amount and type is critical. Next, we have the metal framework. Think of it as the skeleton of your perma-roof, providing the structural integrity needed to support all the other components. Then we have the steel panels. These are no ordinary panels. Made from number 1 commercial grade heavy-duty 29-gauge steel, they are designed to last a lifetime and come with a 4UL impact rating against hail damage. And finally, the venting components. All of the necessary vents are replaced with new venting except a gas furnace or fireplace. We reuse what is currently installed for those. Having all these materials laid out and prepared before installation ensures that our crew can work efficiently and effectively. It minimizes downtime and eliminates the need for last-minute adjustments or trips to fetch forgotten items. Every piece is accounted for and ready to go, which helps us maintain the quality and timeliness that Southern Builders prides itself on. By taking the time to properly organize and prepare all these materials, we're setting ourselves up for a successful installation process that meets our high standards and exceeds your expectations. All right. With everything meticulously prepared and in place, it's time to move on to laying down the insulation. This step marks the beginning of the actual transformation of your roof, and it's where you'll start to see your new perma-roof taking shape. First, let's talk about insulation options. You have a choice between our standard 1.5-inch polystyrene insulation and an upgraded 3-inch insulation. Now, why would you consider upgrading? The 3-inch insulation provides even better energy efficiency, which translates to greater savings on your energy bills in the long run. It's an investment that pays off over time, especially if you're looking to maximize energy conservation in your home. Beyond energy efficiency, there's another significant benefit: sound insulation. Both types of insulation help reduce outside noise, but the 3-inch insulation offers superior noise reduction. This means less roof rumble and a quieter, more peaceful environment inside your home. So, while the 1.5-inch layer is highly effective, the 3-inch upgrade takes it up a notch, providing optimal performance in both energy savings and soundproofing. Now, let's get into the process of placing the insulation on the roof. Our experienced crew handles this with precision and care to ensure maximum effectiveness. We begin by carefully laying out the insulation across the surface of your roof. This creates a consistent and continuous layer of insulation that provides uniform protection against the elements. The insulation is secured in place to prevent any gaps or misalignments that could compromise its effectiveness. Every piece is carefully adjusted to fit perfectly, ensuring that the entire roof is adequately insulated. This attention to detail helps maintain the high standards we uphold at Southern Builders. By the time this step is complete, your roof will have a solid foundation of insulation that serves as both an energy-efficient barrier and a noise-reducing layer. It's the first major transformation in the installation process, and it sets the stage for the rest of the build. Next up, we'll be moving on to installing the metal framework, but for now, take a moment to appreciate the critical role that insulation plays in creating a top-tier Perma-Roof. Now that we've laid down the insulation, it's time to move on to the next phase, installing the metal framework. Think of this framework as the backbone of your Perma-Roof. It provides the necessary structural integrity to support the steel panels and withstand various weather conditions. The framework is crucial because it ensures your roof is strong, durable, and ready to face whatever nature throws at it. Securing the framework to your home is a process that demands precision and expertise. Our team at Southern Builders takes great care in attaching the framework securely to the house. Depending on the type of roof your home currently has, the attachment methods may vary. For homes with existing factory metal roofs, we attach the framework in the same area where the original roof was secured. This involves screwing the framework in every 10 to 12 inches along the side of the house at the roofline level. This method ensures the new framework is firmly anchored, providing a stable base for the rest of the roof components. Now, what if your home has a shingle roof? No worries. For houses with shingle roofs, the framework is anchored into the fascia board. This method is equally effective in providing the structural support needed for the steel panels. By anchoring into the fascia board, we ensure that the framework is solid and secure. No matter the type of existing roof, the key is to ensure that the framework is attached with precision and care, maintaining the same high standards we uphold throughout the entire installation process. This approach guarantees that your Perma-Roof has the structural integrity required to perform optimally for years to come. By taking these steps, we're setting up a durable foundation that can withstand various weather conditions, from heavy rain to strong winds. The metal framework is an integral part of the Perma-Roof system, and its proper installation is crucial for the overall success and longevity of your new roof. Next, we'll be moving on to the part where your Perma-Roof really starts to take shape, the installation of the steel panels. Stay tuned, as we'll dive into that in the next segment. Now comes the part where your Perma-Roof really starts to take shape, installing the steel panels. This is one of the most exciting stages of the process because it's when you begin to see the true transformation of your roof. So let's get into the details. First off, let's talk about the panels themselves. These aren't just any ordinary panels. They're made of #1 commercial grade, heavy-duty 29-gauge steel with a 4UL high impact rating against hail damage. This means they're incredibly durable and designed to last a lifetime. That durability is key because it ensures that your roof will stand strong against the elements for many years to come. These steel panels are a cornerstone of a Perma-Roof, providing the resilience and longevity that homeowners expect. Now, onto the installation process. Our skilled team starts by placing the steel panels on your roof one by one. Each panel is positioned to ensure a perfect fit and is screwed into the framework. But it doesn't stop there. The panels are designed to overlap each other. This overlapping technique is crucial for creating a seamless and cohesive surface that's resistant to leaks. Overlapping not only adds an extra layer of protection, but also contributes to the overall strength and stability of the roof. Screwing the panels in place comes next. We use special neoprene gasket screws for this task. These screws have a watertight seal when inserted into the steel panels. This is critical for preventing water penetration and ensuring your roof remains weathertight, regardless of what Mother Nature throws its way. Finally, we seal the joints and seams. This step is the finishing touch that ensures every part of the roof is securely protected. By sealing, we prevent any potential weak spots where water or wind could infiltrate. The result? A weathertight barrier that offers superior protection for your home. This attention to detail is what sets the Perma-Roof apart and why so many homeowners trust us for their roofing needs. By the end of this stage, your Perma-Roof will have a sturdy, durable, and weathertight steel surface. It's the stage where the vision begins to turn into reality, and you can start to see the benefits of such a sturdy roofing system. Next, we'll be moving on to installing the venting systems and ensuring your new roof is as functional as it is strong. Now let's talk about one of the critical components that often goes unnoticed, but is absolutely essential: the venting system. Our experienced crew knows the ins and outs of roof ventilation. We start by replacing all necessary roof vents with new vents for the Perma-Roofs. Always exercise caution when it comes to your existing gas furnace or fireplace vents. Safety is paramount, so we typically reuse these existing venting systems to maintain safety standards and ensure they continue to function correctly. So while we upgrade most of your venting systems, we'll make sure to carefully integrate the old with the new where it's crucial for safety. Next, we'll be moving on to the finishing touches, which include applying trims and sealants to ensure that every edge and seam of your Perma-Roof is protected. Stay tuned. We're nearing the final stages of our Perma-Roof installation process, and it's time to focus on those all-important finishing touches. This is where we begin attaching the 3-inch metal fascia trim to the ends of the overhang. This isn't just for looks, though it does add a sharp, clean line to your roof that significantly boosts curb appeal. This final touch is what ensures your new roof not only performs brilliantly but also looks stunning. The transformation is genuinely remarkable, with your home now boasting a roof that's both beautiful and built to last. Next, we'll be talking about the final cleanup and inspection, wrapping up the entire installation process to make sure everything meets the highest standards of quality. So stay tuned for that. Alright folks, now that we've walked through all the major steps of the Perma-Roof installation process, it's time to wrap things up with our final segment: cleanup and final inspection. This segment might seem less glamorous than installing those heavy-duty steel panels, but trust me, it's just as important for ensuring your new roof is top-notch. So let's dive in. First and foremost, we make sure your property is left spotless. Our crew at Southern Builders handles the cleanup with the same meticulous care we apply throughout the entire installation process. We remove all debris, excess materials, and any packaging left behind, leaving your home exterior as clean, if not cleaner, than when we arrived. It is important to note that we do not haul off old roof material, such as an old metal roof or rubber roof. We will place it in a location that you specify. It's our way of ensuring that we respect both your home and your surrounding environment. Next comes one of the most critical steps: conducting a detailed final inspection. This isn't just a cursory glance. We go over every inch of the new Perma-Roof with a fine-tooth comb. We check all seams, edges, and joints to make sure they're properly sealed and secured. We also inspect the vent installations and ensure that every aspect of the roof meets our high standards of quality and safety. This thorough inspection helps catch any minor issues before they become significant problems, ensuring that everything is in perfect working order. After we complete our inspection, we take the time to talk with you, the homeowner, through the completed work and take payment. We believe in full transparency and want you to see exactly what's been done. This gives you the chance to ask any questions and understand the various components of your new Perma-Roof. Finally, we ensure that providing your peace of mind is our top priority. We'll address any concerns you might have, ensuring that you're confident in your new Perma-Roof. By the time we leave, you'll have a beautifully installed, high-performance Perma-Roof that's built to last. That wraps up the Perma-Roof installation process from start to finish. Now that you've stuck with us through the detailed breakdown of the Perma-Roof installation process, let's recap what we've covered. From the initial site preparation and cleanup to the final touches and inspection, each step is meticulously executed to ensure the highest quality installation for your home. We've double-checked measurements, organized essential materials, laid down insulation, installed the metal framework and steel panels, ensured proper ventilation, and polished everything off with trim and sealants. All these steps are part of our commitment to providing you with a durable, energy-efficient, and aesthetically pleasing roofing solution. Why is investing in a Perma-Roof such a great decision? Firstly, it's about durability. With commercial-grade materials and expert craftsmanship, your roof is built to withstand the elements for years to come. Energy efficiency is another significant benefit, helping you save on energy bills while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Additionally, a Perma-Roof adds value and style to your home, enhancing its curb appeal and overall market worth. Ready to take the next step? Upgrading to a Perma-Roof is not just a home improvement, it's an investment in your property's future. If you're interested in upgrading your mobile home with a Perma-Roof, the time to act is now. You can learn more about our services or schedule an installation by visiting our website at roofover.com or give us a call at 1-800-633-8969. Our team at Southern Builders is ready to guide you through every step, from initial consultation to final inspection, ensuring your new roof exceeds all expectations. And remember, with our lifetime workmanship warranty against leaks, you can have peace of mind knowing that your investment is secure. We're committed to ensuring that your Perma-Roof remains in top condition, providing lasting protection and performance for your home. Stay tuned for more informative episodes on the Southern Builders Perma-Roof podcast. Thank you for joining us today. And if you have any questions or feedback, feel free to send me a message. For links and additional resources, don't forget to check the show notes. I'm your host, Paul, and until next time, keep those roofs sturdy and those homes cozy. Take care. All right, folks, that about wraps up our in-depth look at the Perma-Roof installation process. Thank you so much for sticking with us today. I hope you found this episode informative and that it gave you a better understanding of how our dedicated team at Southern Builders ensures every Perma-Roof we install meets the highest standards of quality and performance. If you have any questions, feedback, or just want to share your thoughts on today's episode, I'd love to hear from you. Feel free to send me a message anytime. And don't forget, if you want to revisit any part of today's discussion or check out additional resources, simply head over to the show notes. It's been a pleasure having you join me on the Southern Builders Perma-Roof podcast. I'm your host, Paul, signing off. Until next time, keep those roofs sturdy and those homes cozy. Take care.